strips improve the appearance of blackheads but not skin texture. Myself, Dr. Pooja Solanki Vyas, consultant dermatologist and cosmetologist at Apollo Hospital, I am going to talk about pore strips, whether they are bad or good for your skin. So all of us must have used pore strips at some or the other period of our life to unclog the pores. They are just temporary way to remove the blackheads, but they do not prevent breakouts, or they do not keep blackheads from forming. So it is just a temporary fix to remove the blackheads. So it causes, if it also depends, pore strips, whether it will cause good or bad also depends on your skin type. If you have got a sensitive skin, then it will cause allergic reaction or irritation, and if you have dry skin, it will cause more dryness and irritation. And it also causes, if you have broken capillaries, then it will cause more trauma, and it will cause more pain and discomfort. So pore strips are not the only method to remove blackheads, but it is just a temporary fix to it's just a temporary fix to skin problems for removal of blackhead. So what are the alternatives to pore strips? You can always use a mild exfoliant or retinol based cream, and you should use exfoliative pads which are made up of glycolic acid or salicylic acid, and you can use 2 to 3 times per week. It improves the skin texture, and it also reduces the dull complexion, and thereby it helps in minimizing the blackheads. Thank you.